Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool one right here, and basically what this is a wireless Bluetooth microphone. So if you guys want to use this for like karaoke with friends, you can definitely use this for like karaoke or whatever. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that not only is it like a microphone, but it has a built-in speaker. So when you guys are using the product to like sing or whatever, it actually projects the music out of the actual speaker inside right here. Eventually the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. So you see on the side right here, they provide you guys all the information to teach you guys how to use each different buttons on here, and then we turn it on this side right here, they provide you guys all the different specs that's on here. So they mention how this high definition microphone, it has a hi-fi stereo speaker, it's a wireless Bluetooth device. It also works as an MP3 music player as well, and it also has high definition recording. So if you guys want to record audio on here, you can definitely do that as well. And they mentioned for the product, it should give you guys 3 to 4 hours of usage on one full charge. And in terms of Bluetooth distance on here, it is 15 meters. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let's actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. So right there, we see there's a bunch of stuff inside, but let's take everything out. So first thing you see inside, they do provide the charging cable right here, which is USB to micro USB. And then bottom right here, they do provide you guys the aux cable. So if you guys want to use the aux option, you definitely can as well. And then right underneath that, they provide you guys this little cover that's been put on top of the microphone. And then right underneath all that, we have the actual product right here. And right here, they also provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to install the product and how to set it all up. But right here, we have the actual product. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely looks like a high quality product. If you guys can hear, it definitely feels like a high quality product as well. So this top part right here is basically the microphone, and right here is the handle. When you guys put your hand on here, it definitely feels really nice. On the bottom right here is a flat bottom, so if you guys want to put it on a flat table to hold it up like this, you definitely can. And then throughout the part right here on the side, if you can see, right here is a speaker. And then we have to take a look right here, there's definitely a lot of different buttons on here. So there's a mode button, a skip button, a rewind button, a play and pause button. There's a volume switch, a echo switch, and a music switch option right here. And then right here is the button you guys want to press to activate it. So we guys press it. It turns on. If you guys want to adjust the volume on here, that is the maximum volume. If you guys want to adjust the echo, now we have an echo. So this is basically what the echo sounds like if you guys can hear. Otherwise, you can just use it like a regular microphone if you guys can hear. And if you guys want to play music, you can definitely play music on here as well. If you can see this light right here is blinking, so that means it's ready to connect onto Bluetooth. And I really like the way how to design the speaker on here because it gives you guys like a 360 audio on here. But let's connect the Bluetooth on here first.
Bluetooth connected.
Alright. So if you guys want to play a song right here and sing to it, you definitely can. So let's say for example, if I want to play this song right here. So while the song is playing right here, if you guys want to sing on here, you definitely can. So I want to use like echo on here. You definitely can use echo on here if it's in here. So definitely a really cool device if it's in here, how it actually works really well in terms of the audio and also the echo as well. If I want to change a different mode on here, just press the mode button right here.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
So this is another voice. If you guys can hear it, everything sounds very interesting. So if you guys want to change it back to the original voice, you definitely can. But definitely really cute and definitely really nice how to have this option.
Quick magic sound.
So if you can see, it's actually really easy to use the product right here, and it's actually really, really cool. If you guys look at the bottom part right here, there's a bunch of outlets right here. So this is the aux output right here. And then right here is for TF card. And then right here is where I plug in the cable to recharge it. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let me show you guys how to charge it. So let's plug in the bottom part right here. If you can see, we have it plugged in. And see in the top part right here, they do have a red indicator light. And that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. And basically once it's fully charged, that light should either turn green or should turn off. And that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. But you definitely see that the product definitely does work if you guys want to charge it. Let's test it out to see whether or not we can still use it while it's charging.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so it definitely does work if you guys want to still use it while it's charging. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. If you can see, everything on here works really, really well and it's super easy to use. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are having a party, if you guys want to do karaoke, then this is definitely super worth it. Because you guys can play music on here, you guys can also do karaoke on here, and you guys can also do like the echo and the voice changing option on here as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.